근데 저건 뭡니까? 뭐 제사 싼 거야 이거.
충성 골든타임 TV 하겠어 지금 선생님이시죠? 출연 기회를 주셔야죠. 제가 꿀타임 센스. 미국 경찰 여동생을 죽인 한국 살인마.
호기심이 지나치죠.
아 잠시만요. 저 이거 하나만 더 들어주세요. 실은 제가 어제 그 피해자 부인 이현민 인스타에 확인했거든요.
잊었어도 잃은 게 아니에요. 아무것도 잃지 않았어요. 주세요.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know.
Oh.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
I don't wanna stop it, but I know my mind ain't even close to where my heart is. I should let go, I should be open. My troubled water's deep, yeah, deep like an ocean.
Swimming in your ocean, my chest is pounding, cause this love is too deep and my heart is drowning for you. I'm sinking deep and I can't make a move. I'm way down with these feelings for you.
There's a million reasons why I should say no. If we cross the line, we can't go back to before. All I really know is I'm not ready for this. You're so much more to me than a risk.
Oh, every day you remind me I've been walking through the dark cause your love is blinding. You can shed some light if you take the time to realize my love has got years behind it.
Can't stop